Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, I explain how to shut down Windows, using the command line, where you can use more than one command to shut down the computer. I will show you each command, and what the command does during its execution. Although you can shut down computer, in the normal and most common way, which is to click on the start menu, and then click on the power icon and from there, click on shut down computer. However, shutting down the computer via the command line is an advanced method used by administrators to shut down, and gives them more advanced options, including the ability to record the cause of the event, display custom messages to the end user, and the command also enables you to create a script that includes restarting the computer, or you make changes to the system, and you want to record the reason for the restart or shutdown event. Let's start quickly. After opening the command prompt window, the first command I will use to shut down is shutdown/s. This command will give the system 1 minute before shutting down the computer. At this moment you can close any open applications or programs. A message will appear telling you that Windows will shut down in less than a minute. You can select the shutdown button if you want, but this will not affect the shutdown process, and it will shut down immediately after a minute of executing the command. The second command, to perform the shutdown process via the command line, is shutdown/s/t0. Using this command will shut down the computer immediately, without waiting to close any application, and using the letter T is for time and then 0, meaning that the computer will shut down immediately without any time. There is another command, to perform the shutdown process, which is shutdown/s/f/t0. This command will force all applications to close and shut down Windows immediately, meaning that it will shut down immediately, and without warning users in advance. The following command allows you to set the timeout period before shutting down, where you can specify when the shutdown process will take place. The time here is calculated in seconds. The number 60 means 1 minute, the number 120 means 2 minutes, and so on. Just set the time you want in seconds. The system will shut down at the exact time you set. The following command. It is not to shut down the computer, but to cancel the shutdown of the computer, as it is possible to execute a command to shut down the computer after 5 minutes, but it is possible to undo that by entering the command shutdown/a to abort the computer shutdown. This can only be used during the grace period. The next command is to execute the process of shutting down the computer for another computer remotely, where you can specify the target computer to shut down. The command is shutdown/s/m/target computer name, and it will shut down the computer remotely. And the last command I have is shutdown/i, and this will show you the graphical user interface. The remote shutdown dialog will open. Click on the Add button, and enter the name of the computer you want to shut down. Then select the action Restart or Shutdown. Then select the settings you want in terms of time, or the message that will appear to the user, and then click on the OK button. The message will appear to the user immediately. Using the command prompt to shut down your Windows 10 computer gives you more options and flexibility than simply using the shutdown option from the start menu or pressing the power button on your computer. Using the command prompt to shut down your computer will enable you, as an administrator, to find solutions to many problems that are expected to appear during work. You must know how to execute the shutdown command through the command line. Thank you for watching. I hope that the video is useful to you. I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.